Hi, I'm John Kent, and this is a quick demo showing how intheOffice can help you implement hybrid working across your company. And one of the biggest challenges with hybrid working is coordinating when people are turning up to the office. And what I'll show you is it's just as important to know when people are planning to go into the office as knowing when they're planning to work from home. And that's where intheOffice can really help. So let's get started with the demo. Okay, so I've logged on and immediately I can see what's happening in the office today, who's at home and who's working from the office, how busy the office is, and how busy it is tomorrow, as well as what my plans are for the week. Now, even though I've only put in I'm working from home today, I've got options of what I'm going to do tomorrow and Wednesday. But at an early stage, I knew I was going to be off site on Thursday, and actually if I hover over I can see I'm going on a Paris trip. And because of that I'm going to be working from home on Friday. By putting these statuses in really early means that the rest of my colleagues can see exactly what my plans are and can coordinate their schedules appropriately. So in order to work out what I'm doing on Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm going to go to the schedule and see what's happening with the rest of the company. Okay, so on the schedule page, I've got a lot more information about what's happening in the company. I can see when people are working from home, when they're working from the office, and by hovering over I can see exactly where in the office they're working. I can see where people are working off-site and when they're on leave. And this will help me make a decision about which day, either Tuesday or Wednesday, is the best day for me to go in. But actually at the moment this has got everyone in the company, so I'm going to switch over to a group view which will just contain the people that I work most regularly with. And here you can see Tuesday is definitely going to be the busiest day. I've got 4 people going in, whereas on Wednesday there's only 1. So I'm going to decide that Tuesday's the day for me. So I'll set my status by clicking once on it and turning it into a tick. And actually, because I'm going in, it doesn't make sense for me to just go in and work somewhere else. You know, the whole point is to try to collaborate with my colleagues. So by hovering over, I can also see that they're all actually going to be on the first floor and 3 out of 4 are going to be in area 1. So that's where I'm going to book. So with a single click, I can book one of my favourite spaces, which happens to be in the same area, as you can see here. And actually, I'm going to book a parking space as well so that I can drive in. And that's it, I'm all set to go. But before I do, as I've now made my plans for the week and I know that I'm going into the office on Tuesday, I'm going to set my status on Wednesday to be work from home. This way, everyone now also knows that that's my plan for the week. So rather than trying to guess when I'm going to turn up and be disappointed by working from the office by themselves, they can see exactly what my plan is. Thanks for watching. I hope that was useful. Remember, intheOffice is free for basic attendance scheduling, and I'll be recording more detailed videos with other features soon, so please come back again.